Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kenny. In today's video, I'll be unboxing or revealing to you guys some items, designer items especially, that I have acquired for my birthday. I really spoiled myself this year. Not over the top, but still have spoiled myself. I rarely said no to myself in the past month or so. So yeah, if you wanted to know what I have acquired so far, please continue watching the video. But to anyone who has just tuned in to my channel, hello, my name is Kenny. I do these kind of videos, luxury unboxings and reviews mostly. So if you are interested in these kind of content, I'd like for you to consider subscribing to the channel by hitting that subscribe button and the bell button to notify all the videos that I do create. But to my OG old subscribers, thank you so much for hanging with me today. Sit back, relax, have a cuppa, a cupcake, a cookie. Yeah, so while watching me or listening to me, I would start off with the first item. So, this actually just came up today. So I've been waiting for this parcel to actually do this video as well. So I can just do it in one go. So this is from my Theresa. It's from Loewe. And I've been wanting this pair of loafers for such a long time now. Every time I buy it, something happens. But finally I got it. It was on their Singles Day special. So it is the slip-ons from Loewe. So they're like the Chinese kind of loafers or like house slippers, but in leather, and the sole is leather as well. And I've tried this on. It looked really good. It has that perfect balance of casual, but also can pair up with a pair of like suit. Like that is what I'm wearing right now. So it is so good. Look at that. There is another version of this where the sole is rubber, but I prefer this kind of style. It's much more versatile in my opinion. But yeah, it's super supple and soft. It is made in Portugal. I thought this would be made in Italy or something, but honestly, I don't really mind that. Yeah, and it feels like lambskin. It's super soft and supple. The first person that I have seen wearing this was actually Daniel Simmons. I like his personal style. Very streamlined, very much like him and his brand. So I think that's another influence in this kind of purchase. Yeah, and the inside, the lining is leather, as you would expect. I think this is kind of a mid-luxury brand, Loewe. So that's that. Oh yeah, this retailed for $845. I got it for 25% off of that. So that would just come under $600. Still expensive, but I thought it's my birthday, you know, like just fuck it, I'll buy it. Okay, so you can see that orange box there. Oh, before that, wanted to show this. How do you like my blazer? It is a bit special. It's not a, you know, a basic blazer. It has some detail on it. This is a present from my partner. This is from Comme des Garçons. So it basically has that kind of petal like design all around the hem. So I feel like it's been chopped off midway to the waist, and then they've attached and these kind of detail. They're kind of petally. I feel like it emanates like insect to me. In a way, it's like petals or flowers, but it looks super edgy. Like, you know, sometimes I get sick of the same blazers all the time, and this is a good like take off a break from that typical blazer that I've been rocking. So I'm very pleased with this. So this came with the set and I'm very pleased with that. So yeah, that is such a stunning addition to the collection. Right, so I think you know what I'm going to do next. If you can see that orange box, it's my birthday bag. So what's happening in my bag collection? I've been letting go of a few bags. I don't know, I still love bags, don't get me wrong, but I feel like I got to a point that it's not enjoyable, that it's not as enjoyable as it was before now. But I think because I've got so much bags now, I feel like I have got pretty much all of the bags that I wanted. And so I wanted to move now onto something else. Not really bags again, but I wanted to do something else, like maybe travel. Of course, I want to travel, I want to go to Europe. So I've been letting go of a few bags here and there. And I really wanted to do a bag collection video, but before I want to do that, I wanted to see my collection where it's in a better place, like where I'm so happy with it, like it's not overwhelming in a sense. So yeah, I've been pleased like letting go of the bags. It did feel freeing in a way. Yeah, and so I have some funds to put forward to this bag. So it's in this orange box that you can see from the back here. So yeah, let's check it out, what it is. Right. So obviously it is from Hermes. And okay, a little backstory about how I got this. It's so unplanned. It was such an impulsive like move for me. I went into the purse fair in the city along Collins Street, not thinking to buy anything, of course. So I went there, looked and browsed through all the bags that they have on the shelves, and so past this. And the owner of the shop was there, Alex. He was busy like helping out or assisting another client. So I was just like trying this on and asking about the price with another sales associate over there. And I've asked for a discount. I really wanted the bag when I saw it. It was such an instant connection because I've also wanted this bag. Yeah, it's a bag. Okay, let's reveal it. I have not used this bag like since. It's been like 3 months since I bought this and I just kept it in the box. But yeah, now let's reveal it so I can use it finally. So it came in this dust bag. It came with all of the packaging that you would expect from a box fresh store-bought bag from Hermes. So here it is. Ta-da! Oh my god. Look at her. You guys. Can you see the gold on this necklace and the gold hardware on this bag? So, alright. World premiere. This is introducing my newest addition to the collection. It's this Hermes Handbag Zip 31 in navy canvas with the black leather in gold hardware. So that's what the back looks like. It's this kind of blue. Like, you see this blue? Look. I was really smitten when I saw this. It's like, I won't go out of that shop without this bag. But yeah, it's this kind of blue that sucks you in, right? No, particularly just myself. It's a bit different from this puzzle bag, but kind of the same hue or tone. I feel like it's also kind of the same as my box bag over there, or the classic Celine. But yeah, this is her, you guys. What do you think? Yeah, I love the Herbags because they're such carefree. I don't want to wear, like, I don't worry about the canvas. I mean, I worry about it, of course, if it gets stained, but not because it can get scratched like your leather bags. I mean, this leather here can get easily scratched, if I'd say so myself, but I don't really mind. Let's use our bags and don't keep it in a pedestal. So it came with a pouch. How rich is that gold? Contrasts against this like navy. It's so good. And it has the clochette and the lock, and also I think it's got the copy of the receipt as well. But I'm super pleased with this. Like, I'll just be honest with you guys, I can like financially buy, you know, an Hermes Birkin, but it's just I'm still not comfortable buying a bag that expensive just to use. I mean, investment wise it could be good, but I'll get there, like one way or the other maybe, but who knows. But I still want to get rid of some bags to actually make myself a bit more comfortable to buy that bag and see money coming out of my account. But yeah, this is my birthday bag. I am so pleased to have it in my collection, and yeah, like to rock it this coming spring summer here in Australia. So yeah, that is it. Right, so yeah, that is so like short and simple, you guys. Let me know what you think about this whole yeah, thank you so much for tuning in today, you guys. How have you been? Like, you guys, let me know how you are. I feel like a lot of us are going through shit right now, and you know, we're just venting it inside. Let me know. It, you know, it helps to let it out a bit to a friend. But yeah, if I can help you one way or another, let me know in the comment section down below. Non-luxury or whatever, let me know. Yeah. I'll see you guys on my next one, and thank you so much for tuning in today. This is Kenny, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!